Hey everyone. Whether you're a nonprofit or just receiving a one-off charitable gift, tracking donations correctly is vital for your tax letters and financial transparency. Today, I'll show you the three-step process to record a donation so your reports stay crystal clear. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create the donor as a customer. First, you need to track who the money came from. Go to the Sales or Get Paid and Pay tab and select Customers. Click New Customer and enter the donor's info. Make sure to include their email address so you can send them a contribution receipt later. Step 2. Set up a donation product or service. QuickBooks needs to know what kind of income this is. Click the gear icon and select Products and Services. Click New and choose Service. Name it Donation. And this is the important part. Link the income account to a specific account like charitable contributions or donations income. Hit Save and Close. Step 3. Create a sales receipt. Now, let's record the actual money. Click the plus new button and select sales receipt. This is better than an invoice because it assumes the money has already been received. Select your donor at the top and the date the money was given. Step 4. Record the payment details. Under the product or service column, select the donation item we just created. Enter the amount. In the Deposit to field, choose Undeposited Funds if you're grouping this with other checks, or select your bank account if it was a single direct deposit. Step 5. Send the receipt. Before you finish, look at the bottom. You can click Save and send to immediately email the donor a professional receipt they can use for their tax records. It's a great way to stay organized and keep your donors happy. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.